In the previous video, I issued you with a challenge called the if challenge, and in this video we're going to go through the solution to that. So I'm going to start by creating a new file in this project. I'm going to call it if challenge. Alright, so the first step was to get the name and age from the user, and we do that using input. Name equals input, parentheses, double quotes, please enter your name. And put a colon and a space there, then our double quote and right parentheses. Next line, age equals int, left parentheses, input, left parentheses, then double quotes, how old are you? Question mark and a space there, double quote and two right parentheses. Alright, so far so good. So remember to convert the age to an int using the int function, and you can see that we're using that on line 2. Now there are a few ways to write the conditions. I'm just going to use the values that we used in the challenge description. So I'm going to type if 18 is less than or equal to age less than 31 colon. Then I'm going to print a message, print parentheses, double quotes, welcome to club 18 to 30, holidays, comma, then left to right curly braces with a 0 in the middle of it, then outside the double quote dot format, name, and the two closing right parentheses, else colon on the next line, print, I'm sorry, our holidays are only for cool people. Not sure how polite that message was. Okay, then we've got a double quote and right parentheses to end. Now you might have checked for the age being greater than 17 or tested for less than or equal to 30. That will also work fine. Importantly though, test your program thoroughly, and that involves entering ages less than 30, greater than 30, and also the specific endpoints 18 and 30. So let's just run this to make sure that this does work for us. Please enter your name, Tim. I'm going to start with an age that's less than 18. We'll start with 17. I'm sorry, our holidays are only for cool people. Same thing again. Tim again. Test something greater than 30, so we'll just do a 31 there. I'm sorry, that's working. Next. Tim again. This time we're going to try the specific endpoint, so 18 in this case. Welcome. Should be welcome to. That's a typo. Okay, so that's working. And the last one we'll test is if it equals 30. Welcome to club 18 to 30 holidays, Tim. Alright, so that's the challenge solution, and as I mentioned again, you might have checked for the age being greater than 17 or tested for less than or equal to 30. That will also work fine. Importantly though, make sure again you do test your program thoroughly. That's always very important. And you saw me test, and what I did there was I entered an age that was less than 18, that was greater than 30, then I also used the specific endpoints 18 and 30, and the program worked as expected. Alright, so that's the end of the video here. In the next one, we're going to start looking at for loops. See you in the next video.